In this video, I'm going to show you how to get watch hours on YouTube in 2021. This tutorial will show you how to get over 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 days for completely free. First thing you want to do is open up your browser and go to youtube.com. Click on your profile picture in the top right and sign out. This is very important, so sign out. There you go. You're now on the YouTube homepage without a logged in account. The next step is to click the three dots in the top right, click history, history again, and now clear browsing data. This is how you do it on Chrome. I'm not sure how to do it on other browsers, but the important part is that you clear your browser data, history, cookies, and all this, clear data. Wait till that's on. Because this will look like you are someone new to Google and YouTube, so that you can do this trick. So go exit out, open up your browser again. There we go. Go back to youtube.com. And now what you want to do is search for your channel. I will do it on this channel. If you don't see your channel right here, click on filter, go to channel, and there you go. This is what one I want. Now, an important part of this is that you have a playlist with all the videos you have uploaded to your channel called videos. I have one here, and mine is called ranking, but that doesn't matter how it's called. Just click play all. Now go to settings, go to quality, pick the lowest quality. There you go. Now you want to mute this, mute it, let it play. Go to the tab on the top left, as you can see. Right click, duplicate. You want to duplicate this 9 times so that you have a total of 10 tabs open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more times. 9, 10. So the video is running 10 times on 10 different tabs. You want to control if they're all on the lowest quality. As you can see, 144, 144, 144, and all of them are muted. 144, 144. As you can see, they're all in the lowest quality and all running. Now, the good news is that we can do this in the incognito mode as well. Click the 3 dots in the top right again, click new incognito window, go to youtube.com again, do the same procedure. No, thanks, I agree. Go to your channel. There we go. Go to playlists, click the playlist, mute this, go to the lowest quality, and duplicate 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You now want to check them again if they're on the lowest quality. And this will run through your whole playlist. And you watch the videos all the way through, which gives each video 20 views with 100% view duration, which will boost your whole channel incredibly high and give you over 4,000 hours of watch time in less than 12 days. This is the best way to get watch hours on YouTube in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.